On our bill of fare today, we are making fufu and ebunuebunu soup. Very delicious, easy to make, and above all, very healthy. You are welcome to my kitchen where we do easy recipes and very healthy ones, of course. So if that is what you want, please do not forget to smash on the red subscribe button and then the follow button for more videos. They don't take money, okay? Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have with me here my fufu flour. I have added my water to that. I am just going to mix it very well and then we can continue. Before we start cooking, I have washed my hands very well and you can see it is very clean. That is just by the way. Thank you so much, my returning subscribers. If it had not been you, we wouldn't have been here by now. Yes, so I added extra water to it and then make sure I mix it very well. I don't know how you want your fufu, but my husband likes his fufu very soft, so we are just going to make this very soft for him. That is just by the way. Now I'll go ahead and stir it very well. You don't have to leave it on fire and then be turning to something else, because we don't want it lumpy, okay? We want it very smooth, like how you are seeing on the screen. And as you can see, the fufu is soft, smooth, beautiful, and not just beautiful, but very delicious. So this is all what we got, okay? And I just want to tell you that the fufu is ready. I'm just going to mold this well and then we can continue with our soup. Now to start with the soup, I have with me here my mackerel fish that is in the seasoned water, okay? That was salt water, and I will allow it to be in for about just 10 minutes and then we are good to go. On the other hand, I have my goat meat here. We have seasoned it with my pepper, ginger, garlic, my black pepper. I have some parsley, basil. I have my homemade natural spice I made, and I have my salt. I added some good seasoning and everything is here. So after 10 minutes I've removed the fish. Now we are just going to put that in our oven. I have with me here my spinach straight away from my garden, very fresh. I'll wash it very well, okay? And then what we are going to do is to put this in a cooking pot, add some water to it, and then I am going to blend that, okay? I'm not going to cook it before I blend it. I will blend that. Now I have my pepper, ginger, garlic, onion here. I'm just going to blend that roughly, okay, and then add it to what you are seeing on the screen. So what I meant by roughly was not to blend it smooth, okay? So as you can see, it is not smooth. I have some crab and then some cow skin. I've added that to that, and then I've added my salt. Now I'll go ahead and add the things we placed in the oven. They are ready, and add some smoked tilapia, okay, to that. And then I will then go ahead and let it simmer for some few minutes and then add my blended spinach, and then we can continue. Are you still with me? If yes, you are amazing. Thank you so much, okay, for sticking with me from the very beginning till now. I don't take it for granted. Please do not forget to like this video. Leave me your comment in the comment section. And now I've added my mushrooms. I love mushrooms, okay? I eat mushrooms almost every day. Now I've added my tomatoes as well. I'm just going to wait for a while and then we can continue. Yes, as for mushrooms and carrots, I eat them every blessed day. Yes. Now I have tasted and the soup already tastes so good. So this is what is going to happen. We are not going to add any salt to our soup because of the seasoned fish and the meat we added to the soup. And also I added some salted tilapia. That is what you are seeing. Okay, I added some salted tilapia to it. That is the reason we are also not going to add anything that contains salt to the soup. We don't want it salty. Okay, now the ingredients I added, which is the tomatoes. Okay, that was the only thing. I have blended it, and that is what I've added to the soup. Now our fufu is resting somewhere. It is now very cold, perfect way, and we have molded it very well. So now that our soup is ready, I'm just going to taste it for the last time to see if the salt is okay, and if it is okay, we are good to go. We just have to serve zazi. You get that? Yes, I tasted that, and the soup is ready. Trust me, my husband fell in love with it, and this was the first time my little girl tasted ebunuebunu, and she loved it. Okay, now I have poured the soup on the fufu already. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.